This thing on? You working? So hey, how's everybody doing today? Okay. Oh wait, let's see, 1 second. 1, 2, 3, check. Okay, just had to make a quick reference to match the audio with the video. Hey, how's everybody doing? This is Flox here. It's been a while since I blogged about anything, but I'm gonna start it back up again. Bear with me, I'm just freestyling right now. Just gonna start talking about something soon. Well, the reason why I wanted to start vlogging again, well, there's a few reasons. One, it's kind of fun, I guess, to try and build something. Two, I have ventured on to trying to acquire my Oscp certification, which is the Offensive Security Certified Professional. If you know me, I'm currently in the field of cybersecurity, and the Oscp is like the gold standard of technical penetration testing certifications. It's like the god of IT certs. If you know, if you're into technical, cybersecurity part of it, has nothing to do with cloud really. It's not administration. It's more getting your hands dirty, going in, attacking stuff. And so I'm starting it. I'm going to try to do at least 1 to 2 videos a week to document my process or my journey to the certification. Officially, I started a week from today. I already registered for it. I started, next Saturday, next Sunday. It is, most, on average, people give themselves a year. I was trying to tell myself I'm going to give myself to the end of the year, which is now August, September, October, November, December, January. 4 or 5 months. I'm just going to document this process. Hopefully I can get that. And along the way, like I said, document my struggles, my triumphs, share my process and journey with the world with that. I think it'll be fun. If I do I plan to do a video a week, maybe talk about what I learned that week, talk about frustrations, talk about things that my triumphs, and just bring you guys along the journey with me. If nobody watches, that's fine. Not really trying to be, trying to do this to be famous or notoriety. Kind of doing it for fun on the side, and maybe one day I'll look back at it and entertain myself along my cyber career. Just a quick little bit about me. I've been in IT for 10 years now, actually 10 years next month. To date, I have a Network Plus, a Security Plus, CEH, which is Certified Ethical Hacker. I have the Linux Plus, and I'm looking at the wall here, I have LPIC 1, which is the same as the Linux Plus. And I have a CISSP, which is obviously, if you're in IT, if you're in cyber, the CISSP is a Certified Information System Security Professional. And I have a Bachelor in Networking Security and an MBA with an IT background, IT management background. And like I said, 10 years experience in IT. Right now, I work in compliance, DoD, RMF, Risk Management Framework. For those of you out there that know what that is, my daily struggles in the office. It's not gonna really talk that much bad about it. It's a very rewarding career. Maybe I'll get into it a little bit. Maybe not now, or maybe later. But in any regard, I'm in RMF now, and I've been so for this year, and then previous to this year, it was just DIACAP. I was doing DIACAP for 7 years, which is the same thing, same type of work, certification and accreditation. But like I said, I wanted to definitely get more technical, so I'm going for this OSCP. If you don't know what the OSCP is, it's the offensive security certified professional. I can show you some things about it here on the website. Oh, okay. Well, I could talk about this. The difference. One of the main differences from this certification exam and others. So, for instance, CISSP, CEH, Linux, network security, all those CBT tests are multiple choice. Usually 4 choices. If you know anything about your topic or what you're going for, you can eliminate at least 2, and then you have 50% chance of getting the answer right. That's not to say those exams aren't, worth getting or pursuing. It's just, there's room for error. People guessing a lot, with minimum knowledge, passing the test barely, or there's been issues with, fraud, people taking the test on behalf of someone else. OSCP used to be like that. Not the 4 questions, but it was unproctored, and now the one I'm going to take is going to be proctored, which means you take it, you sit at wherever you're sitting, and there's somebody watching you the whole time. And the other good thing about the OSCP is that it's not multiple choice. It is practical. You actually have to do the work. They give you, from my understanding, 5 boxes to hack within a 24-hour time frame, and after that you get 24 hours to do that, and then the next 24 hours you have to submit a report, penetration testing report. So it's basically a 48-hour exam. No multiple choice questions. You can't guess the right answer. Reason being, you have to physically know what you're doing. You have to know how to hack. You have to know how to enumerate, how to escalate your privileges. Basically, you have to hack these machines and then turn around, do it in a timely manner, at least 5, and then turn around and do a real world penetration report. And you only pass if you do both sides. Obviously you get the points for both sides. So it's definitely real. It's a real test. The other ones, again, like I said, multiple choice. You can eliminate 1 or 2. You can guess. You can you can wing it. You can pass a test just by knowing just enough, reading a book once or twice. And again, I'm not trying to take away from those certifications. They're definitely, I wouldn't be where I am in my career without them. But for me, looking at the OSCP and what it can bring to my future and my career, definitely going to try and get that. So I'm going to call this is going to be week 0. Every week I'm going to do a new video to talk about, again, what I learned, what I struggle with, what I triumph. I may get into I may mix in personal stuff, stuff from my job, other cyber things, maybe some tech news or whatever. But I'm just here, vlogging, going to try to share myself with the world. You can subscribe, you can like, you can share, you don't have to. I'm here. I'm in my home studio, what do you call this? Command center. I'm just here. So I'm going to watch myself now talking and see if I like this. And if I do, I'll post it.